S4, Magdalena Latizabal, Troop S5, Christine Cassandra Viola, Troop S6, Major Leader Sophie Aguilar, DLC Leader Jelho Cueva, CTP Alpha Company Commander John Paul Boragay, CTP Alpha Company EXO Maynard R. Canal, First Platoon Leader Boys John Mark Leo Yanes, Second Platoon Leader Boys Alfred Esguerra, CTP Bravo Company Commander Princess Rica Moral, CTP Bravo Company EXO Joan B. Oliver, First Platoon Leader Girls Arena and Seya, Second Platoon Leader Girls Janet Kim B. Oliver, Mapi Company Commander Road John B. Abay, Mapi Company EXO Natalie B. Nazis, First Platoon Leader Jerome Solomon, Second Platoon Leader Princess Mendoza, School Head Loki C. Espiritu Jr., CTP Facilitator Molino C. Nieves, Majors Coordinator Florabella Rodriguez, DXNCDNC Coordinator Jordan P. Hernandez, Menina Francis Infante Mape, Department Head, MG number 24, Calabanga National High School, Santa Cruz, Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 24, Calabanga National High School, Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Next entry. Entry number 25, Lagunoy High School.